teacher and ปู่ศิวกมันไปซื้อไปเราซื้อไปมันจะ要师佛完了we are the respect Buddha and mystic medicine Buddha finished. Now I want to talk a little bit for my story for the why I have to go to learn the chiropractic and chiropractic why I got in Chiang Mai in the Phang City Chiang Mai City and I 30 years old I can do the novice maybe I want to do only 1 month after that do a month very happy the father called me go to back to study high school but I don't like I want to do the monk can learning high school never mind I want to do the novice more 1 year I just look for after that my master he do the school Buddha school and go to Myanmar in Europe after that I follow my master help my master do the school and the student for the chanting and meditation maybe learning high school maybe 3 years after 17 sometimes 15, 14, 15, 16 sometimes have to summer not have to study my master take me go to Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Nepal to look the sometimes to go to Singapore, Malaysia to the support look the take the sponsor give to school after that finish learning maybe 17 I have to go Taiwan but I go Taiwan 17 after that I like Taiwan because Taiwan has the nickname Formosa very nice the land but I don't come back Thailand after that first time I go maybe 6 months go to the one temple and only for the chanting and meditation but not have learning the Chinese but I said after that I came come to the university and then Guang for Seyen to learn the Chinese but this Guang for Seyen is a lot of the nun women maybe 40,000 400,000 and monks novice not so much maybe 70 after that I think I did that a lot of women I think I have to very dangerous because I also very young after that I come back Thailand and come to school again take something go to the school but by the car had to accident maybe the car accident after that my shoulder had to torture after that go Taiwan again I go to live follow another Chinese temple my master in Taiwan he take me go look the doctor Chinese doctor a lot of doctor for the bone very good and after that not very good last go to see the one master Cecilia doctor he learned from chiropractic from America I go to there and do maybe 10 minutes after that very feel good my shoulder and everything my spine not good after that I want to learn I ask master you have to teaching or not for the chiropractic but he say want to put the number first the phone first he have the course he want to call back to me after that 3 months he call to me I have to open the course the chiropractic I go to learn before I go only one go, but he said you cannot come only one. You want to take your friend come to learn together because you are Thailand is to go back. You can help people, but if you sick, not people help. After that, I look go to my friend or my friend together 2 person novice go to learn. Then maybe 3 months, 3 months, but learn finish. After that, I not come to do everything. I help my friend in Temple, come back Chiang Mai, come back Thailand. I help my family, father, mother, sister. After that, same maybe I start learn chiropractic maybe 1994 to now maybe 32 years, 32 years already. To this year 2026. After that, I not have to only help people, only help my friend. Maybe 19999 because my father have to motorcycle accident, the leg have to problem. Sometimes my father go to the football, the broken the bone. Sometimes my nephew go to the learning motorcycle, bicycle accident. My family a lot of have the bone problem, the broken and a lot of I stay in Taiwan, but I how to do is broken. I cannot do what to give doctor to the do. I have to learn more and learn more. Sometimes my friend in Taiwan have to one Pikuni. He called me, he looked me, but I like to learn the therapy and a lot of therapy. He called me go to learn. I go to learn Shaolin therapy and sometimes Japanese therapy and a lot of therapy in Taiwan. After that, I have to thinking for the before I call the, I want to think help my family only. I don't have to come to teaching like this. After that, maybe 2005, I have to go to learn another new one for the numerology, something Hima. After my teacher said, you are can do the doctor, can do the teacher, you want to talking for teaching, but I don't know how to talking because I have because before I cannot speak a lot. Speak Chinese are not very good. Thai is not very good. After that, I have to learn. I start from teaching numerology first. After that, maybe 206 have the university Thai medicine have to call me go to teaching in university, but I not sure because I learn a little bit, not so much. After that, I had to come to teaching in university first time. This teaching maybe I really top because the student maybe 80%. A lot of I speaking take the microphone. I don't know why. I now I am a teacher already. After that, a lot of 80% have sometimes student MSN talking for me, ask me, you learn in Taiwan, what you have to learn therapy. I talk. After that, they are like to come my center here, want to learn chiropractic and another therapy. And 2007, I start from my rest house center to start for teaching Thai person and Thai doctor. He take the book, maybe 72% come to here. First time study, I not have the cost, take the money, maybe they have take the book.
after teaching finish, not have take money. My father he said, what you doing? Not have to take money. I have to after that. Never mind. Do second, number one, number two, and same. Before I start, no have pain, no have sleeping, no have this. There are have to again number one, number two, number three before start start first course start to maybe 9 years have to teaching to 36 course in the center here. After that 2014 have problem with it because here I know have to the school and the hospital and the government to stop my center maybe 1 or 2 months and one or 2 years. I not teaching stop already, but I have to visa go to America. I thinking I don't like Thailand. I want to move go to America. The car, everything I buy already, I sell already. I don't have the bad car. I want to go there. But a lot of my students he learning after that. Master, come back. I want to learn chiropractic. But I said chiropractic, but I cannot teaching. The government cannot give me teaching. But I thinking I have another class for the numerology class. Numerology class can teaching. After that I change before late home. I like the chiropractic of Thailand. After chiropractic of Asia, น้ำหนักจะกระดูก After that cannot use. Now I change the ถนอม numerology center. But now go come back to Amazon. Not just change, want to change the ถนอม holistic healing center in English. In Chinese name the temple for ไรสร้างแม่ความซื่อ Maybe second to open the course to the maybe 2018 to now maybe 2026 maybe 9 years. I have to teaching second course to for number one numerology and people come to want to learn the chiropractic but master teaching the numerology but before I only open the numerology. After that, then I want to learn chiropractic. Now I have to open numerology and only chiropractic to only 7 days before from 36 finish already now to start new one to 44 course is the before course and this course 44 course will be 80 course in the center in the Chiang Mai here. After that today number 45 I can say number 45 and special for the course because the last year Mr. Nasang from Morgot, my student meet him in India. He come to learn the Thai massage. After that, Morgot say, you want to see my master in Chiang Mai? I meet him in maybe July and here. After that, he say, you want to come, January, come to learn chiropractic before up here already. I not sure he want to come or not, but he booked ticket after finish. Now want to come January 26. Yesterday he only ticket come to Chiang Mai. This course I have to promote already because I don't know. I think only 2% and he understand come to here learning. But before today have the Mr. K and come to do the therapy. After life come back go Bangkok one night. Tonight the morning come again and meet in Elena. So he wanna come back again, what to learn. But I don't know have money or not. Never mind. You don't worry money. It's still come here. Everything I sponsor. Don't worry. I have a lot of money. But why I have to take money because before I teaching a lot of people come 100 person 150, but somebody he don't do the Put Toàn Sinh Tu Su not Put Toàn Sinh Tu Su trong này.
Focus.
Not focus the learning. After that, I want to update the Shefei, the cost, the money. After people come to, he focus very like to learn. This year I have to change the new one because I come to back Amazon. I come sometimes I go to learn everything. Sometimes I go to Amazon learning medicine from Amazon. Oh, pay a lot of money, maybe 20,000 for the by the elephant 36 hours and sometimes by the boat 10 hours for the medicine. A lot of the boat in the village, everybody use the money, but a lot of. But I thinking, I really focus for the Amazon and come back Thailand. I have to share the medicine Amazon. Now I have to teaching the numerology and chiropractic and Amazon therapy. T in one. T1 is before the กายจิตวิญญาณกาย body อะไรนะกายจิตวิญญาณนี่แหละเส้นซิงหลิงอิชีเส้นซิงหลิงจะมาจากเส้นซิงหลิง body and spirit and yeah that's and mind. Now I last year for start the T in one, but I think very successful because the body we are use the chiropractic do the do the massage and jit mind and do use the numerology for look we are the why you come here, why you want to do, why you then why lots of why and you after you learn the numerology you can know you the future, do the past life, everything. And last one the spirit I use the Lape and Ayahuasca for your spirit update not only do the body and mind and spirit T and T in one. I think now perfect for the cast of very perfect. Okay, I speak English. I don't know you understand or not. Maybe a little bit. Same you a little bit. Before I go to learn Chinese, I just take a thank you. You feel okay. Now I speak with it. We are wait for the teach and start for study. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Bye now. เตียงตรงกลางเป็นแบบเดี๋ยวเราก็ซ้อมกันอีกก็ได้แต่ยังไม่อยากกลับใครเป็นคนมันจะมาไปไหนล่ะโอเคแล้วก็เนี่ยก็เปิดปิดก็มีหน่อยใคร
ค่ะ